What is a lemon cucumber? A lemon cucumber is a unique variety of cucumber that is round and yellow, resembling a lemon in shape and color. Despite its appearance, it tastes like a traditional cucumber, with a slightly sweeter and milder flavor. It's a popular heirloom variety, known for its crisp texture and refreshing taste. What to do with lemon cucumbers? Lemon cucumbers can be used in a variety of ways. They are great for fresh eating, adding to salads, pickling, making cucumber water, or as a crunchy addition to sandwiches. They can also be used in salsas and gazpachos for a refreshing twist. When to pick lemon cucumbers? Lemon cucumbers should be picked when they are about the size of a lemon, typically around 2 to 3 inches in diameter. At this size, they are at their most tender and flavorful. If they are left to grow larger, they can become seedy and less palatable. How to eat lemon cucumber? Lemon cucumbers can be eaten raw, with or without the skin. Simply wash them thoroughly, slice, and enjoy. They are great in salads, as a snack with a dip, or added to sandwiches for extra crunch. You can also slice them into rounds or wedges for a fresh, healthy snack. Is lemon cucumber water good for you? Yes, lemon cucumber water is good for you. It's a hydrating and refreshing drink that can help detoxify the body, improve skin health, and provide a source of vitamins and antioxidants. It's a great alternative to sugary beverages and can aid in maintaining proper hydration. What do lemon cucumbers taste like? Lemon cucumbers have a mild, slightly sweet flavor similar to traditional cucumbers, but with a bit more sweetness and less bitterness. Their flesh is crisp and juicy, making them very refreshing to eat. Can you pickle lemon cucumbers? Yes, lemon cucumbers can be pickled. Their unique shape and mild flavor make them excellent for pickling. You can use them in any pickle recipe that calls for cucumbers, either whole if they are small, or sliced into rounds or spears. How big do lemon cucumbers get? Lemon cucumbers typically grow to about the size of a lemon, around 2 to 3 inches in diameter. If left to grow larger, they can reach up to 4 inches, but they are best harvested when smaller for optimal flavor and texture. How to make lemon cucumber juice? To make lemon cucumber juice, wash and peel the cucumbers if desired. Cut them into chunks and place them in a blender. Blend until smooth, then strain the mixture through a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth to remove the pulp. You can add a squeeze of lemon juice and a bit of sweetener if desired for added flavor. Do lemon cucumbers need a trellis? While lemon cucumbers can grow on the ground, using a trellis is beneficial as it helps keep the fruit clean and reduces the risk of disease. Trellising also saves space and makes harvesting easier. How to prepare lemon cucumber? To prepare lemon cucumber, wash them thoroughly under running water. You can peel them if desired, though the skin is edible and contains additional nutrients. Slice or chop them according to your recipe. They can be used in salads, salsas, sandwiches, or as a garnish. How to cook lemon cucumber? Lemon cucumbers are best enjoyed raw due to their crisp texture and mild flavor. However, they can be cooked lightly if desired. You can sauté them briefly with other vegetables, add them to stir-fries, or include them in soups. Cooking them gently helps retain their crispness and flavor.